Welcome back to our St. Maarten vlog. If you haven't seen part 1, go watch. If you have, shout out to you. Don't forget to subscribe. First stop on today's itinerary is breakfast. We passed by this restaurant the day before and it looks like a cutesy spot, so why not?
So the iced coffee just reached. I got a French vanilla, whatever that is.
Agenda was the famous Maho Beach. We got there early enough to see some of the bigger planes land. Got caught in the jet blast by accident, but that's a story for another day. After a shower, we headed back into Philipsburg to do some shopping, explore a bit before the main event of the day, rum tasting. Guys, I met Gelato, who actually recognized me from Profest in Antigua, and we're in St. Maarten. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, it was. Nice meeting you.
You too. Enjoy. Bye. Bye.
Get my welcome home punch?
Yes.
Where is it? She drinking and she ain't nothing.
Because you didn't feed me?
I didn't know you that.
Peach, watermelon. You want me to take that on here? I got it. Cheers, yet, guys, but I am starving. So far, the mocha something was my favorite one. Adding coffee, and then the gelato, chef's kiss.
Like, no, let's stop. You know, I don't want to be here. All right,
What's going on?
I tried all I tell you, all.
Yes.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah. To the sour side.
To the sour side.
To the sour side.
Oh, this actually tastes nice. It's like candy. No, for real, for real. It's bonfire. Let me tell you how it tastes right now. They have like a cinnamon vibes going on.
Is it like Fireball?
Close. Close. Very close to apple pie. This is the 7th one so far, and we're going. Tell you, we're trying all 12.
How was it?
Boy, that tastes like that spoiled one.
Savannah, slow down. See?
Oh, okay.
I'm glad. See, look at you.
This is the second to last one. This is the 11th one. So let's see how this goes.
Don't do it. I knew I should have done it. I
Fruity.
knew I should have
It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
But it's like,
Spicy at the end.
yeah, it's a spice at the end. But she said that.
Yeah. Tapas Rhum. Oh, they have something going on. Big up St. Maarten, big up Tapas Rhum. Here it's Ali, big up Ali too.
We made it till the end of part 2. We're still standing at Seaport Bar. Thank you so much.
It's our final day and we finally made it to the pool, and it was long overdue. It was long overdue, and I'm really glad we made it and we get some shots because up here looks amazing.
So first time flying. Ooh, look at that! That's Ali flying.
Let's pretend this isn't my life. Let's pretend it was a great night. Let's pretend that it was real nice. Let's pretend that it's a movie. Let's pretend that it's a story. Let's pretend that it was glorious. Cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, yeah, that's where I do my best work. That's where I put
The drink alone, Chile, on all that this spot, Lovely Foam, the Rainbow Cafe. Just doing the most, they're on point with everything. This, lovely.
Our last day in St. Maarten. We're supposed to go to Anguilla, but you know, plans change and whatnot. We are back on the French side and we found a little cutesy spot, Rainbow Cafe. So we're gonna get something to eat. We got some drinks. I actually like this better. And the beach is actually nice, but I don't want to get wet again because we already checked out and we have to catch a flight. So I don't want to get wet again, but the beach looks really nice. And the vibe, there's music, people.
Atmosphere just given.
We should have found this sooner.
Yeah.
We would have chilled over here.
Beach vibes.
Damn, next time. So you're gonna come back to St. Maarten?
Well, we have to go and go out on some bars.
You can actually see Anguilla from here, guys.
For real, for real.
real work. fiction, you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, that's where I do my best work. That's where I put myself first. That's where fiction, you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, in the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? In the imaginary world. Can you imagine for me? I'm building a world nobody can get to. Put up a fence so finally get to take it.
Everything we ordered is so good. So we had truffle pizza, truffle fries with parmesan, and also a shrimp tempura and crab. No, it wasn't crab. Shrimp and tuna roll. Everything is amazing, guys. I love it here. Especially the shrimp.
Can you imagine for me? Can you imagine for me? Can you imagine for me? Can you imagine for me?
Can't travel and not have something local. On our last day, we're finally trying some beer from St. Maarten. I'm not even a beer girly, but I swear all beer tastes the same. All we've been doing is eating and drinking, but driving. But for the last, I'm back at Toppers to get some gelato because the one I tasted yesterday was really good. So I'm gonna get that or maybe another flavor. And then we're probably gonna go back to Nowhere Special because they have a happy hour from 4 to 7. So
Nowhere Special. That's extra.
thank you. What's alcohol in this ice cream? You put in it? It's not labeled, babe. How was your cookies and cream? Well, guys, we are back on the French side.
Yes, again.
Yet again. Obviously not going home. We're at another beach bar. Today it is Captain Frenchy. Thank you. Oh, wow. Thanks. But they know how to make a good mojito.
So yesterday I got like a very mojito. So today she decided to get her berry. And guess what? Got mine off yesterday. Eva off for me. Eva off. Even like a that's why I had to deal with because of that money. Oh, thank you.
No one yesterday was better. For real. I like it, but I just like the one yesterday too. This is just strawberry. The one yesterday was mixed berry. Time to head to the airport. our time here is coming to an end. We're going to the airport early, so we do not miss the flight again. And they better put us on this flight. It's 1 o'clock now and the flight isn't until 6. Like, that's just torture. But it is what it is. This is my personal driver, guys.
Never drove on the right side in my life.
Well, he's doing such a good
No
job.
accidents, which is good. That's very good. She's vlogging while I'm bagging.
This, guys, is why you travel with a man. At the record show that we got here so early, the counter to check in is not even open. Yeah. 3 trips down, many more to go. Stay tuned for our next trip.
We have to mix.
You know we have to mix. What if I wanted it to be a surprise?
So this is the end of our St. Maarten trip. It was lovely. It was nice. Now it's time to go home and edit this vlog. Hopefully y'all see it. I'm pretty sure y'all gonna see it, man. We had fun. It was a vibe. It always a vibe with the babes. Look, she over here. So let's see where to next. Stay tuned and subscribe and leave a like. Thanks.